In this video, I'll show you how to make Adobe Reader read out loud. First, open your document in Adobe Reader. If you're using an older version of Adobe Reader, you'll see the View option at the top left of the screen. If you don't see it and instead see a menu option, that means you're using the latest version. If you have the menu option, click on it and hover over View. A list of options will appear. From here, hover over Read Out Loud and select Activate Read Out Loud. Alternatively, you can press together Shift, Control, and Y to activate the feature. Once the feature is activated, click anywhere on the document and Adobe Reader will begin reading the text aloud.
Lorem ipsum.
If you open the menu again, go to View, Read Out Loud, and you'll see options to stop, pause, or read either the current page or the entire document. You can also change the reading voice. To do this, open the menu and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Reading section on the left side. You'll see that Use Default Voice is checked. Uncheck this box and then select a different voice from the drop-down menu. After selecting the voice, click OK. Now, when you use the Read Out Loud feature, it will read the text using the new voice.
Lorem ipsum.
And that's how you can make Adobe Reader read out loud.